that's why we have the, there it goes, that's number 7 on the front now, that's Terry Bird.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got Terry Bird out front, we have Craig Bell in second, we have Dustin Lagasse's in third. Oh, there we go, Tyrell Savek's back out the track. Then we've got number 15, Dana Parsons, and then we've got number 14, Kenny Farrell. So that's still number 7 on the front there. There is a race that is between Terry Bird and Craig Bell. Last lap. Those top 2 finishers in this get to go to the final. Dustin's out. So that's number 7. That'll wait to the end here. That checkered flag does go to Terry Bird. In second goes to Craig Bell. Then number 15, Dana Parsons.
Oh my God.
And